Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Stratford local and long-distance movers near me. Are you trying to find a good, cheap Stratford moving company? Do you want to hire a trustworthy team for your local or long-distance move? 3 Movers is the right option for you. There are plenty of reasons to hire us for your move. When you choose to hire our team, you get the streamlined moving process you desire. If you're ready to handle your long-distance move, we can make it easier with the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options to make sure you get the right help for your move from us. We offer all the right services to help you get the best out of your long-distance move. With us, you get there faster and easier. Are you trying to find a Canada moving company you can use for your local move? Do you want to skip the heavy lifting associated with your move? The right local movers can make your move super easy. 3 Movers will save you time and energy when moving locally. We offer all the right services to make it simple to move across town or just down the street. If the move will take you all weekend, we can do it in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Stratford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.